Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about next generation sequencing, which has gained a lot of popularity in the last decade. It's commonly done in the genetics lab worldwide. So let's get started. Next generation sequencing has gained a lot of importance in the past decade. It is better than Sanger sequencing method, which was earlier used for genome sequencing using capillary electrophoresis method. Applications of next generation sequencing. The next generation sequencing has a lot of applications. The main ones I will enumerate here. It helps in finding the new variants of a strain causing disease. It also helps in whole genome sequencing, whether it be of a bacteria or humans. It helps in finding out the genetic abnormality in an individual, and it is very advanced method for confirming the diagnosis of genetic disease. The steps involved in next generation sequencing. The first step is fragmentation of chromosome and obtaining a stretch or a template of DNA sequence. Then ligation is done through adapter molecules of that particular template or stretch sequence, which gives it a unique identification. Further, amplification is done through PCR amplification technique, which could be either bridge or emulsion PCR. And lastly, cyclic array sequencing is done, which could be again by three methods: pyrosequencing, sequencing by synthesis, and sequencing by ligation. Thus, in next generation sequencing, the DNA polymerase catalyzes the incorporation of fluorescently labeled deoxyribonucleotide triphosphates into a DNA template strand during sequential cycles of DNA synthesis. During the cycle, at the point of incorporation, the nucleotides are identified by fluorophore excitation. The critical difference is that instead of sequencing in a single DNA fragment, next generation sequencing extends this process across millions of fragments in a massively parallel fashion. Now, more than 90% of the world's sequencing data are generated by the next generation sequencing method.